In a vast, silent forest, there lived an elk named Eldr. He was the largest and most majestic of all creatures, with antlers that shimmered in the sunlight. Eldr was loved by all, but he felt a burden in his heart, for he was the last of his kind. One day, a hunter ventured into the forest. He had heard tales of Eldr and sought to claim his magnificent antlers. As Eldr wandered the forest, he sensed the hunter's presence. He knew what he must do to save his kind. Eldr approached the hunter and, with a heavy heart, offered himself as a sacrifice. He asked the hunter to take his antlers, but spare the life of the herd. The hunter, taken aback by Eldr's act of selflessness, agreed. With a tear in his eye, Eldr allowed the hunter to take his antlers. He watched as the hunter left the forest, carrying the symbols of his strength and power. As the sun set, Eldr returned to his herd, safe and alive. The herd gathered around Eldr, grateful for his sacrifice. They knew that Eldr's actions had saved them, but they also knew that he had given up the most precious part of himself. Eldr looked out over the herd, his eyes filled with wisdom. "I have given you life, but I have also given you a lesson," Eldr said. "In life, we must sometimes make sacrifices for the greater good. It is in these moments that we truly discover our strength." The herd nodded, understanding Eldr's words. They knew that Eldr's sacrifice would not be forgotten. They would carry his lesson with them, always remembering the elk who gave up everything for their survival. And so, the herd thrived, living on in the vast, silent forest. They never forgot Eldr, the elk who sacrificed everything for them. They remembered his wisdom, his selflessness, and the powerful lesson he had taught them, that true strength comes from sacrifice.